Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. This channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. This video is going to be a easy and simple way to hang wall art. So if you are interested in how to hang wall art in less than 10 minutes, keep watching. Okay, what I have done is just simply lean the wall art against the wall in the order that I want it to be hung. This is the wall that it's going on, and we can go ahead and get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to simply take the wall art, place it against the wall, and use a pencil to mark the top of where it will start on the wall. The only hardware that I'm going to be using to hang the wall art is High and Mighty wall hangers, and it can hang up to 20 to 40 pounds. These particular mosaic panels have the wire hanging on the back, so I am going to just take some painter's tape, roll it off in a folding method. I am going to pull the wire hanging up as far as it will go, and I'm going to place the tape from the top of the panel to where the wire hanging will start, like so. And I'm just going to simply remove any excess tape past the wire hanging. Okay, next step, I will remove the painter's tape and I will place it where I have marked with the pencil where the wall art will start. Next, I am going to use a 40-pound High and Mighty wall hanger and use my thumb to press firmly into the drywall. As you can see, I have placed it at the bottom of the tape, which is where the highest point of the wall hanging should stop. And now for the final step, I'll simply take my wire hanging, attach it to the High and Mighty wall hook, and voila, I'm done. I hung the remainder of the wall art using the same exact method, guys. The one in the middle was a little lighter than the mosaic panel, so I did not have to use the 40-pound wall hanger. I did use the 20-pound wall hanger for this one, but I followed the exact same steps, and I did this in less than 10 minutes. Just in case you make a mistake or your measurements are off, this is the largest the holes are, and this is for the 40-pound wall hanger. And I am done. I didn't use a hammer. I didn't use a nail, and it took me less than 10 minutes. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.